Everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1966 Dodge Coronet 500. Killer car, guys. Stunning restoration. Car is a complete Nut-N-Bolt Rotisserie. Looks like it's been done for 12 years, I think. The receipts are in there for it. Man, I can't say enough about it. Just a gorgeous car. Factory ZZ1 gold metallic, original color for the car. It's got Citron gold interior. It's all new legendary stuff. But actually, they say this car came with a black interior from the factory. Just a nice car, guys. It's as nice on the bottom as it is on top. Factory 4-speed 3D3 car. They've added air conditioning. It's got aluminum headed 3D3 in it that just runs out awesome. Great car. Look how nice the grille is. They've obviously redone all that stuff. Slick paint. That's just something on there. New bumpers. Really just a nice car. You can see the dash in there is nice. There's just not really much to pick on this car. Dual chrome mirrors. Love the color combo. Yeah, you're looking for a nice mid-year Dodge. You're gonna love this car. I mean, it is just gorgeous. I love the taillights on these cars. If you're seeing that, you just missed a little. I don't think there's anything on that. Yeah, nice and straight down the sides. Got a great stance. Chrome Cragar S all SS rallies all the way around it with BF Goodrich Radial TAs. That is a gorgeous car. Converted at the front disc brakes. You kind of pick at those original Coronet emblems. It's got a 68 date coated 3D3 in it. Again, it's got aluminum heads, 4-barrel aluminum intake. It's got stock exhaust manifolds. AC is brand new. They just put the air on this car. Aluminum radiator with a shroud. Man, look at the detail on this car. It's got just a decorative trim tag, which is pretty funny. I'll show you that. Love the aluminum intake. I think it's got MSD, or is this with Pertronics? I think it's a Pertronics distributor in it. Factory 4-speed manual transmission. It's got a little comp cam in it, so it hits good. Factory air cleaner and valve covers. There's the trim tag he put on it. But he did reach out to the Chrysler side. That's how he got some information. There's a letter in there on it, and there is a partial broadcast sheet in the car. I don't know what that is. It might not come on. One of those little. Let me guys take a peek at it. Nice car. God, it's a pretty car. It's just one of those cars that more you're around it, you're just more and more impressed with it. feel the chrome's definitely original. You can pick it a little bit. Got dual chrome mirrors. This stuff's really nice. Door handles have been replaced. Door seams are clean. This is all new legendary interior. Bucket seats, console. It's got the correct shifter. The steering wheel is beautiful. Yes, I do have some carpets on their floor mats on the way for it. Look how nice the seats are and everything. They've been all repadded, refoamed. Headliner's nice. Look at how nice that steering wheel is. 4396, that's the mileage on the restoration. Gauges are nice, they're clean. It's got a Retrosounds radio, aftermarket gauges over there. You can see it's got the factory style shifter. Great car. It's got dual exhaust. It's a Dana 354 sure grip rear axle. And it's gorgeous on the bottom of this car. They've mounted the battery here in the trunk. I'll show you that. He's got a bunch of little extra parts. That's the stuff for the AC. This is the letter here from the Chrysler, the Corporate Historical Collection. And like I said, they said the car was a factory P4X black interior with the ZZ1 Citron gold interior. And then they broke down what they could for him. So to tell you it was a 4-speed car. So all this goes with it. Again, there's partial broadcast sheet there. And then again, here's the receipts and everything on the restoration. Batteries mounted underneath there. Gorgeous car. And again, it is, you can put mirrors underneath this thing. Wait till I show you the bottom of this car. Look how nice that car is. Gorgeous, gorgeous car, man. Gauges are nice and clean. Center console is really nice. Go ahead, Dale. Oh. You probably run me over coming in here. Our traffic situation out here sometimes can get tense. Great running 33. Like I say, air's brand new. We just put that on the car. That is a nice, nice car. Great sound. Fuel gauge works up there. The other gauges are over here. Lights work. Give a little rev, Dale. Good sound, man. Your other gauges are over here holding good old pressure. Radio works. It's got a Retrosounds radio. Wipers. Clear headlights on. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram and our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you can get a notification every time we post a new video, guys.